Good evening, everyone, and thank you for being here. I would first like to obviously thank Hungama Mobile, Bhushan here from T Series, and of course Ganesh, and Vishal Shekhar who done the music for this video and audio. Actually, the idea for doing this came to the head only because one knew one had a team or a set of technicians and creative people who would be able to give it some kind of shape. We are film people, so once when I decided that one is going to launch KBC, one came up with this idea because film actors only have that many ideas that we can do a song, we can do a dance. So one just thought that if we could create a music video and take out a single because this wasn't a full album. And then of course I called up Ganesh who completely conceptualized and directed. Vishal Shekhar, they all sat up one night and came up with this song. And a lot of people ask me that, am I trying to be hip and cool in the video? I was very embarrassed doing it because I think I'm not young enough to do this. But Ganesh said, no Shah Rukh Khan, you will look alright, we'll make sure you don't look foolish. And then another friend, Bhushan, has come in and he said the song is being liked by people. It is obviously being aired on television already. And we would like to take it forward, and I think for the first time round, they're trying to create an album out of some of the older collection and this. And I'm pleasantly surprised that even before the CDs come out, one company, one set of people who I've been reading a lot about in the newspaper, mainly Hungama, where they're taking a whole delegation to Barcelona, if I'm not mistaken. I was also supposed to go, but I'm a little tied up now. But these are all new formats which are only going to give the film industry and the media industry, I think, new places to take off from. Lately, the music market has been going down because of the advent of radio, and some other source of or some platform had to come in. And I think one of the nicest platforms we have is the digital format. And I'm quite amazed that you can just SMS on a number and download a whole video on a telephone, which I'm going to do as soon as I go from here. I will try and do it on my telephone. I always fail with that technology, but I'm sure this time it will work. So I'm very happy that you all are here, and somewhere all of us, being related to media, are seeing beginning of new age platforms for films, music, media, television, newspaper, and I think we are in very, very exciting times. So I thank the team from Hungama, I thank the team from T-Series, and of course the whole team with Ganesh, Sanjeev, Sunaina, who set this up, Vishal Shekhar, and everyone who made this possible. So more than the importance of just an audio video track, I think the importance for all of us is that we're using new platforms. And I thank you for being here, and thank the whole team for making this possible. Thank you so much.